Hello, everyone. Today, I want to share a bit about the user types in our system, how they differ, their features, and the purpose of each type. Let's start in order. So, the first type of user is the users. Users essentially are your clients. Also, any company, when registered, when you add a company, a user is automatically created for it. That is, the company's email is used and a similar user is created. If you go, for example, open the profile of any company, scrolling down a bit, you will see the user data block. This is essentially the transition to the user of this company. That is, we move to editing the user associated with this company. In all other cases, users, any registered user type in the system, whether affiliate, partner, manager, company, or driver, essentially automatically becomes a user. Plus, clients who place orders themselves. For users, we only have personal data. What kind of user, last name, first name, their email, phone numbers, billing information, password. You can reset it and send a notification. What payment methods they have connected, notification management, and essentially whether this user is a settings block for users, whether they are an affiliate or a partner. Well, we will return to affiliates and partners a little later. Now let's look at companies. That is, companies are taxi companies to which you can assign your orders. These are your partners registered within your system, added essentially, and you yourself. If you are a company and want to assign orders to yourself, accordingly, you will also need to add your company to the company section. Companies are the entities you work with, your partners to whom you assign your orders. Let's take a detailed look at what each company has. A company has main, that is, general settings, which are the main data about the company itself. Its name, its email, phone number, its logo, default language. That is, when the company logs into its personal account, the personal account will be in the selected language here. That is, in this case, for example, Dutch can be changed to English. That is, when the company logs into its personal account will be in English. Its time zone, your commission for working with this company. That is, when you assign any order to this company and it fulfills it, you receive some commission from this order. What commission you specify exactly in this field? That is, this is your commission for working with this company. Bio automatically means that the system will automatically perform settlements with the company. The system will automatically create invoices, settlements, and will bill you or the company depending on who owes whom. By credit card, accordingly, the money is with the administrator. Accordingly, the administrator must pay part of the money to the taxi company, their partner. In case the payment was in cash, the money is with the driver of the partner company. Accordingly, this partner must pay the administrator their commission. Autobill automatically creates these invoices, so you don't need to do it all manually. Everything will happen automatically. HEST transfer. This means that this partner, this taxi company, provides airport transfer services. HEST City Taxi. Accordingly, it means that this taxi company provides city taxi services. Transport means that this company provides services in the delivery sector. Single driver, the checkbox is set if it's a small taxi company, a private owner. That is, he himself is the director, the driver works alone. In this case, you can check single driver when adding such a partner, and the system will automatically create, using the company's data, will automatically create a driver for this company. Because by default, if you don't check the box, you create a company, then you must go to the drivers section and create drivers for this company. Essentially, if the company is large, has 3-4 drivers, you don't check the single driver box, you create a company, then go to the drivers section and add drivers for this company. If it's a private owner, you check this box and the system will automatically create one driver for this company. Hello with debit. Our system provides a function to block work if the partner is a debtor. What does this mean? When the system performs settlements between you and your partner, this company to which you assigned an order, and the company must pay you your commission, but for some reason, it doesn't, delays. In this case, if an invoice was generated for settlement between you and the partner, and it is still unpaid, then the system will not allow this partner to take a new order. The partner will still see that new orders are coming in, that there is such an order for such a trip with such an amount. But when they try to accept it, the system will notify them that, sorry, you have an unpaid commission, so you cannot take this order. Please first pay off your debt, after which you can accept new orders. This function works by default and will work if you remove this checkbox. But there are situations where the partner has informed you that they cannot pay you at the moment for any personal reasons, or maybe your personal agreements or something else. And it is necessary for the system to allow this company to accept new orders despite the debt. In this case, you should check this box lowest debit, which means allow I know this company has a debt, let it accept orders despite the debt. Next, divisions. Divisions essentially are the countries in which the company operates. A very important point. If the company operates in several countries, that is, if it is ready to fulfill orders from Belgium, Germany, France, then you will need to add all the divisions in which it operates. For example, you start writing and choose France. That is, this means that this taxi company operates and can accept orders in Belgium, France, and Germany. Note that when you set divisions here, cars are added below for all these divisions. Here are the cars specifically in the country of Belgium, then the cars are in the country of France. Then the cars in the country of Germany. That is, you can specify different cars for each country. If a company has different cars in each country, the system lets you specify that. Below, we have an option called Taxi Priority. If you check this box, it means the company will get priority for city taxi orders. So first, orders for city taxi, specifically city taxis, not airport transfers. Specifically city taxis. If you receive such an order and if you have automatic order distribution set up, this company will get the order first. Then they have a time limit to decide whether to take the order or not. If they don't take it or do nothing within their time limit, the system will automatically send the order to all your other partners who can fulfill it. By can fulfill, I mean they have the right type of car, work in the right areas, and operate in the right country for you. Meanwhile, your priority partner still has the chance to accept the order. Even though their time limit expired and the order notification was sent to all other partners. There's also a city taxi pickup zone. Most companies, excuse me, city taxi pickup zone, meaning most companies also have an option like city taxi pickup zone. Most companies provide city taxi services only in certain places, or only in certain areas, or only in certain cities. In this case, using this feature, you can limit the working area of a taxi company for city taxi service orders. By clicking Add New, a section opens where you can specify that this partner provides city taxi services only in Brussels. You write the address and specify the diameter in kilometers, like a maximum of 10 kilometers from Brussels. Accordingly, the system will allow orders to be assigned to this taxi company only if it's a city taxi within the specified radius. So if it's outside this radius, say somewhere here, this company won't see the order and can't accept it because it doesn't meet their parameters. Also, you can add multiple addresses, like we can add Brussels, we can add, say, France, we can add Nice, for example, and so on. A similar option for delivery, meaning whether this company is prioritized for delivery orders or not. And you can also limit its working zone, meaning in which zones it operates. The next block is user data. We've already talked about it. This is a link to the user associated with this company. Below is the block for selecting cars. It's very important. If a company lacks a certain type of car, for example, if I uncheck the box for a salon in Belgium for city taxi orders, then this company won't be able to accept city taxi orders in Belgium for a saloon car because they simply don't have that type of car. They don't have such a car in their fleet. They can't take such an order. Similar settings are available for all other divisions. In our case, it's only Belgium now, meaning, as I showed, if we add France, then we'll have cars for France too. The next block is billing details. This block needs to be filled out for settlements. Here you also specify bank contacts, bank details, meaning all this data is displayed in the invoice that the system creates for settlements. Upon receiving the invoice, you can easily use it for payment. It will display all necessary billing details. Contract block. This function is intended for concluding an official contract between you and your partner for service provision, so the partner can download your contract. By clicking this link, your contract is downloaded. It's downloaded in PDF format. This contract will already be, for example, signed by you, scanned and inserted into the PDF document. Then the partner scans it, signs it on their side, and attaches the scanned copy of this PDF document here with their stamps and signatures. The next block is notifications. Here your partner can manage subscriptions, which notifications they want to receive, which they don't. The next block is airports, a very important block. Here you specify the list of airports that this taxi company, this partner, works with. A very important point. If an airport is not on this list, the company won't be able to receive or fulfill orders from or to that airport because they don't service it. Simply put, here you specify the list of airports your partner services and also how they service it. For example, if we take, say, Brussels Airport, we can specify whether they only pick up clients from there, only drop off clients there, or both pick up and drop off clients there. But it's very important to specify the list of all airports that this client services. Why is this done? Because there can be many airports in a country. Some airport might be on the outskirts, and this company doesn't work with that airport. They don't service it because it's too far or the road isn't good. In this case, you can specify here that they work with airport number 1, airport number 2, but not with airport number 3, simply by not adding airport number 3 to this list. And then, accordingly, the company won't receive orders from or to airport number 3. Company comment. This field is for the administrator. Here you can leave a comment for this company, for this partner. This comment will only be visible to you. You can make notes here for the future, so you don't forget about this company. These are your personal notes related to this company. So I've explained everything about the type of users of the company and the type of company in our system. This is what their personal account looks like. This is the personal account of the My Taxi company. Here they have an additional link with documentation, a video guide, and contact us. In other videos, I showed how to set all this up. Section Booking. Orders come here. They are divided into 3 tabs. Assigned are orders assigned to the company. The company hasn't decided yet whether to accept or decline it. Canceled are, accordingly, canceled orders. Requested quote are, accordingly, orders for which prices were requested. Jobs tab. Here are the orders the partner accepted and is executing. There are also convenient filters to sort and keep only the necessary orders. Commission tab. After the company successfully closes orders, new records appear here in the Commission tab about the completed order for a total amount. Payment was cash or card. Such and such taxi company, such and such admin commission. The admin should receive this much. The partner should receive this much. Everything is logged here, recorded in a table format, and a blue Generate Invoice button appears, which, when clicked, clears all records, resetting the counter. And a new invoice is created, which goes to the invoice section. Here you will see a new record of a settlement request between the partner and the system administrator. Your prices section. In specific countries chosen by the administrator, taxi companies can set their own prices, that is, the prices they work with for transfers or taxis. Then the system will calculate the order at the lowest prices indicated among partners when an order appears. So, the city taxi section and the airport transfer section allow them to set their prices. In the case of airport transfer, I choose this airport, select the type of car, and fill in the data on the rates I work with. Company Settings tab. Here I can manage my personal settings, specify which cars I work with, change my billing details as a company, change my personal data as a company. Drivers. In this section, I can add my own drivers who are on my staff. I can click Add New, fill out a simple form. Here it is, and add a new driver who will work for my company. Calendar. In this section, you can connect Google Calendar and synchronize all bookings between the system and your Google Calendar, allowing you to receive notifications from Google Calendar. Share your Google Calendar with someone who can get order information from there. Review section. Here, client reviews of your trips and partner trips are received. So, when a trip ends, the system asks the client to leave a review of the past order. Accordingly, the client fills it out, and the taxi company that executed the order can see all these reviews here. Referral program section. Here you can get your personal referral link, which you can give to some of your acquaintances. And when these acquaintances place an order through this link, you will receive your commission from it. There is also a QR code and settings for your own widget, which you can place on your site, and you will receive a referral commission from any order received through your widget. So this is what the personal account of a taxi company looks like. Let's go back to our system, to the admin panel. Let's look at the next user. We've already looked at users. We've looked at companies. Let's look at drivers. So drivers are essentially part of the company. They are the users who will fulfill the order. When accepting any order, if we go to Some Orders, and when accepting any order by the taxi company, first we choose which taxi company will go. And for the taxi company to accept this order, it needs to specify the driver it needs to specify the driver who will take the client, as well as specify the car model, car color, and license. So the client knows when they arrive, 24 hours before the start of the order, they will receive an email with the driver's information, their phone number, and they will know which car will be waiting for them at the airport. For example, what color, what number. So let's take a closer look at a driver. What is specified here? First, it is chosen which company this driver works for. In this case, it's My Taxi. Driver's name, driver's phone number. You can upload a driver's photo, specify email, gender. The language the driver uses, meaning drivers work via the app, so the language sets when they log in. The default language will be what you specify here. Next, info about their Skype, their license, and its expiration. Here you can specify the vehicle model, car model, color, number, and leave a comment. See the reviews given to this driver. Drivers get reviews on orders. The company's rating is based on reviews from its drivers. A company might have 3 Ford drivers, all getting reviews, and the company gets an average rating from those reviews. Clicking this button lets you see all reviews for this driver. Password. A password is needed to log into the mobile app. Inside our system, drivers don't have personal accounts. Only the client and the taxi company have personal accounts. The driver uses a mobile app because there's no point for him to sit inside the system using it through a browser. He gets an order, sees his list of orders, starts the order, completes it, and moves to the next one. That's why he only needs the mobile app. For login, the driver's email and password are used, which the taxi company can set for their drivers here. That's essentially what the driver user type has. I also want to clarify that the taxi company's personal account is accessed via the console URL, which is your domain name. In this case, it's demo.codeco.io/console, just like the administrator. So, the taxi company accesses the same URL as the admin via /console. For clients, meaning regular users, they access their account through /me. That is, your domain name. Here it's demo.codeco.io/my. /my is the user's account. We've already looked at the users. By the way, we haven't checked the regular client's account. Let's check it out. Here's how the account looks. The first tab is Settings, where users can enter their info, last name, first name, email, upload photos, choose gender, preferred language, and select default currency. Enter phone numbers and so on. If this client is an affiliate or partner, they will see their commission here. And if you let them manage their commission, they can change it here too. In this case, I set a 19% affiliate commission and a 15% partner commission. They can also manage their billing details, payment info, and notification settings here. Additionally, they can change their password. The next section is My Card. Here you can see all their linked cards, a list of cards. Don't worry, all data is protected. We don't store any full card data or payment info. We only keep the last 3 digits to show that this card was used for payments. Section Bookings. Here he sees all his orders. Active are those not started yet or in progress. Completed are his finished orders. Canceled are the canceled orders. There's a new bookings button to create a new order for his account. Section Invoices. All invoices for trips, changes, etc. will be stored here. So he can see everything here. Section Shared Transfer. If shared rides are included and the client has chosen the shared ride option, when the system finds a ride that matches the client's request and it's possible to combine our client's ride with another client's ride, information will appear here about the available third-party ride at a certain time, in a certain car, to certain addresses. If you want, you can join it, and accordingly, there will be a button Join or Don't Join. Section Payouts. If this user is a partner or an affiliate, the Payouts section will gather information about their commission. So, if it's an affiliate and they create an order through their personal account, for which they later receive cashback, a kind of commission, after completing this order, a new entry will appear in the payout section about the order, the amount, the commission, its status paid or unpaid, and a request button. Referral programs are the same as with taxi companies. In the commission section, records of payments received by this user appear. In the orders section, they can see a list of orders created through their referral program. And essentially, the widgets section is their personal link, which they can use, a referral link they can share with colleagues, friends, and so on. And everyone who orders through it, after successful completion, the user gets their referral commission. This is also a QR code generated with this referral link. And this is his referral widget with unique partner ID no. 11. And all orders from this widget, he gets his referral commission. So this is a regular client's personal account. Let's go back to our admin center. Let's look at the next user type, managers. Managers are users who manage the system. Here they can be managed by the admin. These are the admin's assistants, simply put. Here you can add countless numbers of them. Let's look at this manager. So what's specified here? Last name, first name, email, and login password are specified. Next, you can assign personal access levels for this manager. For example, this manager can manage only orders, and nothing else. So we uncheck Administer All. And we say he manages only orders or only users, companies, drivers, cars, airports, car types, etc. Here, you can set what this manager can manage. If he has unlimited capabilities, you want a manager with full access like an admin, check Administer All. In this case, this user can manage all site functions just like you as an admin. Also, you can change or set passwords for him and manage notifications. That's about managers. And now the last two user types are affiliates and partners. Basically, these are regular users with certain extensions. Let's look at affiliates and see the difference between an affiliate and a partner. Here we have 3 affiliates. Let's go into one of the affiliates. Scroll down. So, as you see, this is a regular user, but with the affiliate block activated. To deactivate, just uncheck this box. To activate, just check it. By default, users aren't affiliates. If you make this user an affiliate, specify the commission. What commission this user gets by bringing you orders. It's convenient for affiliates, like travel agencies. So they have their account, ordering taxis for clients, and all orders from them, they get their affiliate commission. So I brought you this client, this order happened, client paid, you completed it, pay me my commission, say 5%. Autobill, this system auto-generates invoices for settlements. Deferred payments is a convenient option, allowing orders without payment, useful for corporate clients. So it's a company whose employees often travel or go on business trips. Their company finds it inconvenient to pay for each trip, and they ask, can we pay at the end of the month? So you collect info on all trips, and at month's end, issue one invoice for all trips, we pay it. That's what deferred payments allows. Orders with deferred payments. Payment method marked as on invoice. And this means all orders are collected, and at month's end, system generates one invoice. It collects all into one invoice for the total amount and issues it to the client. And the client pays one invoice for all trips for the month. That's what deferred payments allow. If you don't want deferred payments, want payment for each trip immediately, uncheck this box. Admin billing ID. The system allows multiple billings. For example, you have a German company, a French company, and for this client, you want the invoice from your German or French company. Here, you choose which company to issue the invoice from. That's if you have such a case. If not, and you have one billing detail, choose Nothing here. And the last checkbox, Allow Changed Affiliate Commission, is what we looked at. So if you check this box, you allow the client, let's go, to the client's personal account. Yes, here it is. To the settings sections. Here, you let the client adjust their commission, say, set it to 10%. If you don't check this box, the client can't change their commission. In this case, they'll have 10% here and can't change it. The system won't let them change this value. So, who are affiliates and how do they differ from regular users? An affiliate is a regular user with more capabilities. You let them bring new orders and earn a commission. They'll provide orders from their account, and you'll pay them their affiliate commission for each order. If their partnership is off, affiliates won't have a referral program section, widget, link, or QR code. Referral links, QR codes, and widgets are only for partners, not affiliates. If partners are off and affiliates are on, they can order from their account, go to bookings, add new bookings, and the system will see it's from an affiliate, and they'll get a commission after completion. It's convenient for hotels, travel agencies, or companies where an office manager can create travel orders for employees. Who are affiliates? What's the difference between them and partners? Who are partners? Partners are users with slightly different capabilities than affiliates. They also have a partner commission. To make a user a partner, just check this box. By default, new users are partners, not affiliates, with affiliate settings off, but they're partners with a base commission set in general settings. In general settings under bookings, you'll see default partner commission set to 10%. Any user registering becomes a partner by default. By default, they become a partner with a 10% commission. To let a partner manage their commission, check this box. If not, remove it. Partner commission is calculated differently. It's added to the base order cost. Your order cost is 100 euros. For the partner, you give a 10% commission. The final order cost for the client is 110 euros. 10 euros go to your partner and you handle the rest with the taxi company. That's the key difference. Making a client a partner gives them a referral programs section and a referral link. Provide orders. They get their own QR code. This is very convenient for hotels. Register a hotel, make it a partner, give it a referral link, generate an invoice and a QR code to print and place at the reception or in rooms for guests to scan and order a taxi. The order cost is the base trip cost plus the partner's percentage. It's convenient to let the partner manage their commission. You tell a hotel partner they can set any commission they want. Set even 30% commission here. It's your concern how you implement this order. If a client orders a taxi through your referral and pays, and it's completed, you get your 30% commission. The commission you set, even 50 or 100%, doesn't matter to the admin. It's the partner's concern how they implement it for their client. If the client orders, pays, and it's completed, the partner gets their commission. That's the main difference, and partners are great for hotels because they can print the QR code, place it in the hotel, and guests can scan it, order, and the partner gets their commission added to the order cost. Who are partners? In the partner section, see all partners, their completed orders, commission, and invoicing button. Clicking invoicing shows all completed orders from this partner, order ID, details, total cost, and partner's commission. It's similar with affiliates. In affiliates, see the affiliate's name, email, commission, auto billing, and deferred payment status. Clicking invoicing shows all orders from this affiliate, order number, date, total amount, discounts, etc. The amount to pay the affiliate, their commission, and payment status. Sort orders by status here. Show me only the status. Orders for which the admin must pay the affiliate, or show all completed orders already paid. Show all records, no matter. That's all. Today we reviewed users, clients, companies, how they work, and their features. We reviewed drivers, and most importantly, affiliates and partners and their differences. We also covered managers. Why? They're made, how they function, and how to set them up. Thanks everyone for listening. Have a great day.